Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen from VanVeenBulbs.com. And next we're going to talk about what kind of soil should I use for organic gardening. Now we all want an organic garden. We don't want to use any chemicals. We don't want to kill any bugs. We don't want to kill any broadleaves because we realize there's other options besides chemicals. So our number one concern then when we're starting our flower beds is what kind of soil should we use for our organic garden. So the best soil to use for your organic garden is compost. And a lot of places in the country you can't just go to the store and ask for compost. They don't even carry it. So my rule of thumb, if you can't find compost, just use good potting soil. And there's all different types of blends out there. You can get truckloads delivered from different nurseries or garden centers, or you can buy them by the bag at different nurseries as well. And a lot of times if you find them on sale, they're not very expensive. And so I always ask, is this compost that has chemicals? Does it have fertilizers? Does it have weeds in it? So the soil that has been baked is the best. So if you can find any soil where they call it baked, is where they put it under high temperatures, where it kills all the seeds and it kills all the diseases. So you're starting off with soil that's already been treated and should do really well for many years to come. So it's easy to organic garden, and it's just by not using any chemicals. That's all you need to do. I've got a big compost pile myself where I've put grass clippings and leaf clippings, and I keep turning it up. But it takes a couple years before it's ready to put into my flower beds. So you can make yours yourself, or there's a lot of different companies that sell organic soil. But the key is to make sure that it is baked so it's not full of weeds. Make sure it's not just pine needles. I've had that issue before where it's just pine needles and it's not enough substantial organic matter. Or even a lot of the mushroom composts are great too, I'm finding, because all of my plants have done really well in them. But just go online and search and talk to different companies and do your research. And that's all that you can do. And support all your local companies, because why have it shipped in from far away when I'm sure there's a local company that you can support just down the street?